Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. This is a Lockwood 001, used very commonly in the locksmith industry. We put these on unit front doors and they cost us a fortune. Anyway, everyone's been saying, why isn't there another lock? Why isn't there a cheaper way of doing it? Well, there is now, and the company who makes this, I've been saying to them for a long time, why don't you get that fire rated? Because most people don't know the Lockwood 001 is not a fire rated lock. It's only allowed to be on a unit front door as a secondary lock on a fire door. Secondary lock on a fire door, and you can only have a 32mm hole, and it has to be self-latching and have a projection and a bolt size of a certain amount. So the people who came up with this carbine Nighthawk, I was saying to them, you know, it would be good to have another alternative to the Lockwood 001 that we can put on people's unit front doors. It's not costing them a fortune, because as the price of fish go up in China, we all start paying more and more for our Lockwood products. In the last year, because of COVID and things, it's gone up like 20-30%. Okay, so Lockwood's going up and up and up, and then we have to transfer that onto a customer. Some people are charging $360, some people are charging $380 for a deadlock installed on front door. So I've been saying to Carbro, it's a good idea to do it. Anyway, they've finally gone out and got a fire rating test on their Nighthawk. Now, so you get the lock like this. Okay, it comes like this. Here's your rose, your keys. Here is the cylinder, full brass body cylinder. Okay, and this is cheaper than a Lockwood 001. Here is your screws, cylinder screws, all of that sort of stuff. Now, I know what you're thinking, this is for a wooden frame. Cool, but the thing about this is you can just go along and buy a metal frame one. Now, if you've got both these strikes in your car, you only need to carry one lock to do two jobs. This one here has no key on the inside, but when fitting it to a unit front door, you don't need to have a key on the inside. It does have a hold back function as well, so you can hold it back, and it's a latch. They also have another model which has a dead latch on it function as well. It also has a hold back button on the back. This particular one's very simple, very easy to use, more of a latch. The bolt is reversible without dismantling the lock as well. So why am I telling you all this? Because it also has the metal frame, and now the Nighthawk is suitable for putting on a unit front door as long as it's an eco door. So what does that mean? That means that you cannot put it on any of the old doors which have the brown veneer wood on them, but if you're just putting it on a brand new unit which has those eco doors on it, you can do it as a secondary lock, pay less for the lock, charge your customers less for the job, keeping them happy, getting you more jobs, and keeping your overall stock count down low, because a lot of people would be quite happy with this as a secondary dead latch. They don't always need to go to Lockwood, and we don't always need to buy that premium product, and now we have a little bit of an option. So the Nighthawk, you'll probably see them more and more on unit front doors with the carbine cylinder, and yeah, now they've got a rating for fire doors, for eco doors only. Okay, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.